Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Now in this case, you've been told to determine the orange area. How do we determine the orange area? So first of all, let's go to the whiteboard. How do we determine the orange area? Now, to determine the orange area, we will have to complete this figure so that the outer rectangular part is also complete in that manner. Now, if you complete the outer rectangular part and we label this diagram, maybe A, B, C, D. Now this orange area, you can see it is a square because you are being told this length is equals to this length. So if this length is A, then this length is also A. Now if you look at rectangle ABCD, now if you look at the diagonal of the rectangle ABCD, diagonal from B to D, if you check the length of the diagonal from B to D is 6 plus 15 plus 9. That is 6 plus 15 plus 9. You get the whole of that diagonal is 30. So if the whole of this diagonal is 30 and the diagonal inside the square is 15, meaning the square is taking a half of the whole diagonal because 15 is a half of 30. Remember, 15 is equals to a half of 30. So it means the whole diagonal of the rectangle, the square is only taking a half of it. Meaning, if from here up to here is A, the length and the width of the square, then it means from D to C is going to be 2A. So if it is 2A, it means you can put the diagram in this manner. 9 plus 15 plus 15 is 30. So if that is 30 and we have each and every square, the square was taking a half, 15. So 15 left on this side, 15 on the other side. So it means this is A, this is A, that is A. So from this point to this point, as we've labeled here, from D to C. So this was point D to C, this was point A to B. Now if you check it there back, so you can see the square, the area of the square is A times A. So what is the area of our square? And the area of the square here is going to be A times A, meaning the area of the square is going to be A squared. So how do we get the A squared? That is very simple. You just use Pythagoras theorem. Now if you take triangle, for instance, triangle ABD. If you take triangle ABD, so triangle ABD is a right angle triangle at point A. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. So the whole of that length is 2A, and from here up to here is A, and the length of the diagonal from D to B is 15 plus 15 or 9 plus 15 plus 6, which is 30. So C squared is going to be the BD, which is 30. So that is 30 squared is equals to, then A to D is going to be A squared, then plus from A to B is 2A, is going to be 2A squared. So what do we have here? We have here 30 squared is equals to A squared plus 2 squared is 4A squared is A squared. So we have 30 squared is 900 is equals to A squared plus 4A squared is 5A squared. So if you divide both sides by 5, you get A squared to be 180 units square. So that implies that the area of the square was the A squared. So it means this 180 is the area of that given square. So the area of this square is 180 units square. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the simplest means to determine the area of this yellow square. If you have another simpler method, you can leave that in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next presentation.